Hello everyone, I hope you must be doing good, and today I'm going to share one useful tutorial related to Adobe InDesign, and that is to incorporate QR code in Adobe InDesign without using any external website or any external application. So let's get started. You must have seen in different magazines, booklets or business card that you have to incorporate QR codes. So what you normally do, you go to any external website and then you create the QR code, save it as PNG, and then you come back and import in Adobe InDesign or any other software to incorporate. So what we can do in Adobe InDesign directly, as you can see that we have already created a business card, and let's suppose we want to place QR code in the bottom right hand corner. So we do not have to do anything fancy, just simply go to object, and here you can see generate QR code. Right here it will show you multiple options like plain text, text message, email or business card. So what we are going to do here, just for an example, that we want to incorporate a hyperlink so that anyone who scans the QR code will be redirected to the website. Okay, so I'm just putting the name of my channel for example. So once you have typed your web address, just simply hit okay, and wherever you want to place your QR code, just simply click. Okay, so you can move it around anywhere on the artboard, and you can scale it up or scale it down depending on your preference. Let's just keep it over here, right? And here you can see that when I stop my cursor over here, it is showing me that this QR code will be redirected to this YouTube channel. Okay, so once you are done, just simply do the same procedure that we normally do. Go to export, right, and just export it as Adobe PDF Interactive and save. So here you can see that your QR code has been incorporated in the business card. So that was a simple tutorial, and I hope you must have liked this tutorial. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thanks for watching.